When you're working on a Bargello project, there is a best way to do the direction of your stitches. So I always like to think of my Bargello lines as working uphill or working downhill. When you're working uphill, it's always best to come up from the bottom of each stitch and down at the top of each stitch. So coming up from the bottom, down at the top. We always want to resist the temptation to go from top to top or from bottom to bottom. So you never want to go directly from the top of this stitch to the top of that stitch and back down. You always want to make a looping shape and always go from bottom to top. And that helps your stitches to lay nice and evenly. So again, I'm always going from bottom to top as I work on the uphills. And when I work the downhills, I do the reverse. So here I am at the peak of my row, and I'm about to switch to go downhill. So now for the downhill, I'll come up from the top of each stitch and go down at the bottom. So again, the key is just always be consistent with always coming up at the top or the bottom. And if you do that, your stitches will lay much more evenly and create a more consistent appearance to your finished project.